How to download CapCut Pro version on Android and iPhone. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to download the Pro version of CapCut on both Android and iPhone. CapCut is one of the best video editing apps out there, but with the Pro version, you can get even more amazing features. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can unlock all the premium tools for free. First, start by downloading the regular CapCut app. Head over to the Google Play Store or App Store and simply search for CapCut. Now this is the app that we're looking for. Simply download it. Once you have installed CapCut, open the app. You'll notice that it offers ton of features for free. But if you want to unlock even more by accessing the Pro version, let's get to do that. Here at the top, as you can see Pro, simply tap on it. Now, here you can find various options to simply get the Pro version. As you can see, you can also get all of these features. Now, to get the Pro version, simply choose the plan that you want. Let's say monthly, and simply click on purchase. Now, you need to download it from the App Store. Simply give it the access, and that's it. You've just learned how to get CapCut Pro. The process is also same for the Android. You just need to simply tap on the Pro and simply choose the plan and do the payment, and you will get the CapCut Pro in your phone.